Welcome to our channel, where we simplify Medicare Part B enrollment for you. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify Medicare Part B enrollment for you. Applying for Medicare Part B may seem complicated, but breaking it down step by step makes it manageable and straightforward. Here's how to apply for Medicare Part B in clear, easy steps. First, understand what Medicare Part B covers. It includes outpatient care, doctor visits, preventive services, and medical supplies. Typically, Part B enrollment is automatic if you're already receiving Social Security benefits at age 65 or older. However, if you're not automatically enrolled, follow the next steps carefully. Step 1 is to check your eligibility. You must be at least 65 years old or qualify through a disability and be a U.S. citizen or legal resident. Step 2 is to decide when to enroll. The initial enrollment period starts 3 months before you turn 65, includes the month you turn 65, and extends 3 months after. Enrolling during this period helps avoid late penalties and coverage gaps. Step 3 is gathering necessary documents. These commonly include your birth certificate, Social Security number, proof of citizenship or legal residency, and any current health insurance information. Step 4 is choosing your method of enrollment. You can apply online through the Social Security Administration's website, by phone, or in person at your local Social Security office. The online application is often the fastest and most convenient option. Step 5 is completing the application. Fill out all required fields carefully, review your information for accuracy, and submit your application. After applying, you will receive a Medicare card that shows your effective enrollment date. It's important to enroll when eligible to maximize your benefits and avoid penalties. If you miss your initial enrollment period, you may have other chances to sign up during the general enrollment period between January 1 and March 31 each year, but coverage will start later and penalties may apply. Understanding this process helps you make informed decisions about your healthcare coverage. Don't hesitate to reach out to the Social Security Administration or Medicare directly if you need assistance during enrollment. We hope this step-by-step guide makes your Medicare Part B application easier and less stressful. Remember, preparing in advance and applying on time is the key to smooth enrollment.